There comes a moment in every life when silence becomes unbearable, when you look at your own reflection and realize nothing will change unless you do, and that realization hits harder than any betrayal, any heartbreak, any failure you've ever survived. Because for the first time, the enemy isn't the world, it's you, your excuses, your fears, your hesitation, your comfort. You want a different life, but you keep living the same day. You want respect, but you'll negotiate with your own weakness. You want strength, but you keep choosing the easy way out. Understand this: your transformation will never come from wishing, waiting, or hoping. It comes from stepping into the fire willingly and refusing to walk out the same. People don't change because it's easy. They change because staying the same becomes a punishment. Because one day, the pain of being stuck becomes louder than the fear of beginning again, and you're standing at that edge, between who you are and who you know you can become. Look around you. Everything you hate about your life is a reflection of the choices you've made. Every weakness you see is a result of every time you ran from the mirror. Every regret you carry is built from every moment you chose comfort over growth. But here's the truth. No one wants to say out loud you have absolutely no idea how powerful you are. Not yet, because you've never given your strength a chance to reveal itself. You've been sleeping through your own potential and calling it normal life. But the world doesn't remember the ones who stayed comfortable. The world remembers the ones who transformed, the ones who took the version of themselves that everyone doubted and forged it into something unbreakable. It's time for you to become that version. Not tomorrow, not when life feels easier, not when you feel ready. Now, this moment, this breath, this heartbeat. Because your life won't change unless you do. Your mind won't change unless you challenge it. Your future won't change unless you destroy the person you're pretending to be and rebuild the person you were meant to become. You want discipline? Create it. You want confidence? Earn it. You want respect? Show the world someone worth respecting. Stop waiting. Stop hesitating. Stop negotiating with your own limits. The life you want is not out there. It's trapped inside you, suffocating under doubt, fear, and the lies you keep telling yourself. Set it free. Get up. Take responsibility. Break the patterns that broke you. Cut the excuses before they cut your future. Walk into the discomfort. Walk into the fear. Walk into the version of yourself you've been avoiding. Because once you choose growth over comfort, once you choose discipline over desire, once you choose becoming over staying the same, your life will start to change so fast. The old you will become unrecognizable. Your life won't change unless you do. And today, your transformation begins.